this video, let's talk about how to choose the wheel spacers for your aftermarket wheels. Let's check it.
If you're going to upgrade the wheels, then don't miss this video. Aftermarket wheels not only enhance the look, making your car more stylish, but also improve the performance to a certain extent. But if there is still a gap between the Fender and aftermarket wheels, there is a little regret. Recustomizing aftermarket wheels is a small expense. At this time, choosing to install a set of high-quality wheel spacers is the best choice. We choose wheel spacers as an easy, low-cost solution. Wheel spacers have two main purposes. They can improve the appearance or stance of the wheels and tires, and they can prevent contact with suspension parts like the upper control arms. So how to choose wheel spacers for aftermarket wheels? The first thing to consider is the size of the wheel spacers. The installation effect is determined by the size of the wheel spacers you choose, as distances are different for every vehicle, stock wheels and aftermarket wheels fitted. It is important to choose the right size for your car. We recommend you measure the distance between the fenders and tires. BONOSS offers a choice of wheel spacer size, from 50mm to 50mm, and has customized service of unconventional thickness, 3mm to 160mm. BONOSS has an independent OEM factory, so customized wheel spacers can be complete in 1 to 3 days at the fastest. Besides, BONOSS provides OEM ODM too. The second factor we need to consider is the material of the wheel spacers. Wheel spacers are typically made from aluminum alloy or steel. BONOSS wheel spacers are made of the highest quality, forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum. Both forged aluminum 6061T6 and 7075T6 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear-resistant characteristics. Even when facing impact, they are not easy to break. The continuously forging adds superior mechanical and physical properties, created by heat and pressure. They are high strength for safety and security, and very suitable for long-term applications. The third factor is hub-centric. Hub-centric spacers ensure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel for a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer sits on the hub, it can handle more weight and stress than when it sits only on the lug. BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels fit a corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since spacers are components that contact other parts, you need tight-tolerant ones. Based on traditional tire spacers, BONOSS wheel spacers come with more useful designs, such as FT cooling grooves, knurling surface, disassembly notches, and so on. These FT cooling wheel spacers are designed to make brake cooling better. The heat dissipation grooves behind the spacers boost the cooling efficiency, reducing brake thermal decay, and improving road safety. BONOSS always strives to offer the best quality wheel spacers with more practical functions. In conclusion, choosing the right wheel spacers for aftermarket wheels requires carefully consideration of several factors, including the wheel spacer size, the material of the wheel spacers, and the hub-centric of the wheel spacers. Considering these factors, you can choose the right wheel spacers for aftermarket wheels and achieve the best effect.
If you want to get the BONOSS Toyota wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.